Welcome to unveiling of a design that beautifully blends happiness, wellness and meaningful connections. Presenting Mr. Nasir's Leafy Duplex, a stunning architectural creation located in the peaceful and prestigious Sector 4 of Uttara. Our homes are our sanctuaries. They are where we raise our children, invite our friends and make memories and experience life's most important moments. This exceptional duplex is thoughtfully planned to bring the family members closer both physically and emotionally. The ground floor serves as the heart of the home with all bedrooms and a cozy family living space connected. It's a place where the owner can enjoy special moments with his children, creating a constant sense of connection and togetherness. On the upper floor, you will find a formal living area, a guest bedroom, a gymnasium, and a breathtaking green terrace. This clever layout ensures the family's privacy while offering an elegant spaces for our entertaining guests and hosting social gatherings. The design focuses on using natural materials like solid wood and marble, avoiding the inclusion of artificial elements. The green terrace adds the freshness and celebrates the beauty of nature. Custom furniture, soft natural tone, lots of greenery and open spaces come together to create a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Through this project, we have redefined duplex living, balancing intimate family moments with stylish social spaces. Stay tuned to see this stunning transformation as we reveal the final masterpiece. Thank you for being with us.